be investigating place value. So I want you to have a think about what you already know about place value. In a minute, the person next to you is going to ask you, what do you know about place value? So have a think about what you're going to say when they ask you, what do you know about place value? Okay, so I'd like you to turn to the person next to you, ready to ask them what they know about place value. Can you two get a little bit closer? Good job.
Know about place value.
Place value is when you put a number into a place value chart and you explain like how much. So yeah. What do you know about place value?
Keep facing each other.
What do you know about place value?
If you're not sure, you can say, I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure yet.
Good boy, fantastic.
What do you know about place value?
Place value is when you have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and millions. Then you write numbers in them, then you get a value of something. What do you know of this value?
It's what you just said, but if you want to write it down, you use it in columns. So you write at the top of it tens, ones, and hundreds and thousands.
Great job. Great discussions, boys and girls. So eyes this way, hands in your laps, learning bodies. Great job. So now it's time to share with the rest of the class, if you're ready, anything that you are thinking about place value. Does anyone want to share with the class what they're thinking about place value? Hands up. Okay, this girl here wants to share. Hands down, everybody. Your job is to listen to what this person's sharing and to see if you agree and to see if you want to add something. So what are you thinking about place value?
Place value is when you use tens, ones, hundreds, thousands, and millions.
Hand up if you agree. Hand up if place value is ones and tens and hundreds. Fantastic, well done. Anyone else got an idea about place value? What are you thinking about place value?
Well, it's the same things that she said, but if you want to write it down, you just write columns and then at the top of it you write ones, tens, thousands and hundreds and that.
Hand up if you agree with that. When we draw a place value chart, we put the values at the top of each column. Fantastic, well done. And then work out how many ones there are altogether, Felix. So how many ones altogether?
10, 15.
$130, not 7, $130. Good job. Good job. Okay, so now your place value chart and write if you only had 15 tenths. So just write 15 tenths and then work out how many hundredths you've got. So now we have a whole lot of levels of place value. What we can do is we can actually move them and put them onto a wall in the classroom. Even though there are quite a lot of levels, because they've gone up one at a time in front of the children, it doesn't confuse the children because this is now a wall that teaches and the children know that they're already past that level, they're past that level, this is the level that they're investigating, or they know exactly which level they're up to. Some teachers' classrooms that I'm in actually have little tags with the children's names on their particular level, and that's a great idea as well if you'd like to do that in your classroom. So basically these have now turned into anchor charts, but they're anchor charts that mean something to the children because they were created with the children and in front of the children. Now, if in tomorrow's lesson, after I've looked at their books, I realise that I need to go over this level again, all I need to do is take this level down, do it again on the board, and then put it back up, put the new one back up to replace the one that I took down. So we have a wall that teaches. At any time during the day, you can say to the children, individual children, quickly get your maths book, get your playing cards, investigate your level of place value. So at the end of the lesson, we collect the books and we put them in piles of the levels that the students have demonstrated understanding of. So these children in this pile are working at teen numbers. They need to continue working at teen numbers until they've demonstrated their understanding. The children in these levels here have demonstrated understanding of 2-digit numbers. In fact, this one on top is just about ready to go on to 3-digit numbers as soon as she feels like she's ready. These children here have demonstrated understanding of 3-digit numbers, and you can see that this one on top in particular is probably ready to go into 4-digit numbers because he's used quite a high 3-digit number and he's able to explain it using non-standard place value. These children here are the ones who have demonstrated or are demonstrating understanding of 4-digit numbers.